Here we have unit number 092159, a 2000 kW Cummins Diesel Generator set located at our Brighton, Colorado facility. This new surplus standby rated unit was built in 2022 and is powered by a Cummins QSK60-G6 engine. With only 4 hours of runtime, it's practically untouched and ready to deliver serious power. The generator produces 2000 kilowatts of standby capacity, providing 3007 amps at 277/480 volts. With its sound-attenuated enclosure, it's engineered to minimize noise while supporting the most demanding applications. One standout feature of this unit is its massive 6,800-gallon diesel fuel tank, giving you extended runtime during outages. At this scale, it's designed for data centers, hospitals, utilities, and large industrial facilities where continuous, reliable backup power is mission critical. Physically, this is a substantial system, measuring 567 inches long, 118 inches wide, and 212 inches tall, with a total weight of 100,000 pounds. It's built to last and ready for heavy-duty performance. Like all units from Generator Source, it will undergo a full 31-point inspection by our EGSA certified technicians before delivery, ensuring it's ready to go to work the moment it arrives. If you're looking for a low-hour 2000 kW Cummins standby generator, Unit 092159 is available now. Contact Generator Source today for more information or to schedule a viewing.